यूरोपीय यूनियन कमीशन की सदर ने ईरान और इजरायल के दरमियान बढ़ती हुई कशीदगी पर गहरी तशवीश का इजहार किया है। कनाडा में न्यूज कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान उन्होंने जोर दिया कि तनाज़े का हल सिर्फ मुज़ाकरात के जरिए ही मुमकिन है।
I spoke with Prime Minister Netanyahu today. I reiterated Europe's commitment to peace and stability in the Middle East. In this context, Israel has the right to defend itself. Iran is the principal source of regional instability, and we've always been very clear. Iran can never have a nuclear weapon. We have voiced our strong concerns over Iran's nuclear and ballistic missile program. A diplomatic solution remains the best way in the long run to address concerns about Iran's nuclear program. And Europe remains committed to finding a lasting solution through a negotiated deal.